Ready, right? Good afternoon. My name is Manuel Reta, and I have a little bit of information for you. First of all, here in Ferndale, Washington, we will be doing some things to help the community. And I would appreciate that you would also share all this information because in order to continue to overcome a lot of this virus uh, issues that we have throughout the United States, um, here in Ferndale we have Stream Radio. And the name of the station is La Voz de Wacom. La Voz de Wacom means the voice of Wacom. That's basically the same as Spanish and English, but this is a non-profit radio station, stream radio station, and we're trying to reach out to the community. Most of you know that it's very difficult a lot of times for minorities to get jobs in different cities. Here in Ferndale, I believe that there's 98% Anglo in all the jobs being held here in Ferndale. So we're trying to make a difference, and the way that we're going to make a difference is we're going to try to reach out to the community. And I'm hoping that Everson and Sumas and Linden and Blaine and Skagit County is listening because it's important that we have equity within all jobs that are available. There's too many times the minority people of color, never have the opportunity to get a job. For example, let us say there's an opening here in the water treatment plant here in Ferndale, just for an example. Now you need a degree, you need some feedback as far as what kind of experience is required. And a lot of times, the people of low income, they don't know nothing about it, okay? So we're trying to work it so that we can reach out to those individuals that are willing to come on board and possibly learn the trade and be certified to be an actually a person that can actually apply for this kind of work. So here in Ferndale, we're trying to do that as much as possible. I belong to the Equity Advisory Committee in Ferndale. I'm an ex-commissioner for the state of Washington, Hispanic commissioner, and I've also worked on the KSVR radio station in Skagit Valley. And so I feel led to try to help the community as much as possible. Anyway, for now, I'm going to give you an application that you can apply, and that hopefully you'll be able to understand and also apply for the job. And this is open to anybody. Okay, that's as simple as I can make it, because I think that in the process, there'll be individuals that will actually be choosing or going through the resumes to enable them to get the best qualified individual. It's your opportunity to follow through. The City of Ferndale, employment opportunity. Wastewater treatment plant maintenance worker and operator in training. This is the title that they're seeking. The place is the City of Ferndale. Title again is W/WWTP maintenance worker and OIT. OIT is operator in training. Employment type is full-time. The starting salary, is $4,981. Salary range is $4,981 to $5,609 a month. And this position is open. So, and I'm going to give you a job summary of this position. The wastewater treatment plant maintenance worker and operator in training, OIT, performs a wide variety of water and wastewater treatment plant, water distribution and pump station, wastewater collection, pump, and lift station, and reserve operations, maintenance, and repairs. The work includes computer operations, lab tests, process controls, and troubleshooting plant and or systems to ensure proper operation. The position works under Washington state regulations and procedures for water slash wastewater treatment, serves as a utility worker, and responds to complaints, questions, and other matters. And on this application that I have here in front of you, there's a lot more information that you can obtain. And so by going with the information in front of you on the screen, it tells you where to apply. There is also an email that you can also email, and that will be to Susan Duncan at cityofferndale.org. Okay? And so if you have any questions, feel free. This video is going to be shared throughout the county, throughout hopefully Facebook, and throughout any other place that we can actually promote this kind of service. We here at La Colima Design, we have La Voz de Wacom, and we have the ability to reach out and bring in people who could qualify for this kind of work. And there will be other jobs coming on board. As a matter of fact, I just made some contacts with some attorneys, and they'll be coming on board, and they will give you some information for those who are in need or in need of help, and so that's going to be another topic. So stay tuned to the La Voz de Wacom in Ferndale, Washington. Google it if you want to. We have been doing this for over a year now, but we're going to do more of this service for the city. And if there ever is an agency that wants their help in the community, they can come on board here in the studio and do their part to help and promote equity and well-doings in this town and also other towns. And so if there is a dire need or disaster, you're welcome to come on. Quiero decir que esta estación, La Voz de Wacom, está para ayudar a nuestra gente. Por eso apenas leí un trabajo que va a haber aquí en Ferndale. Es para trabajar en la ciudad y el que va a pagar, comienzan de enero. Le voy a dar mejor los datos mejor, cuánto pagan este trabajo. Comienzan con 4,981 y puede terminar con 5,609 por mes. Y todavía está abierto este trabajo. Este trabajo es un trabajo donde está la planta de agua y donde se recoge la agua también. Es una pompa aquí de la ciudad de Ferndale. Si usted tiene experiencia en ese trabajo, debe aplicar. Enfrente de mí tiene el lugar donde pueden escribir y para recibir más información, y también pueden llamar también para ver si tiene usted otras preguntas. Es muy importante que nuestra gente comience a abrir los ojos, preguntar preguntas, buscar trabajos que de verdad para ayudar mi raza. And this is not only for the Hispanic. I'm also talking to all the Punjabis, all the other ethnic groups. It's important that the United States is your home, and you have the power and the ability to apply for different jobs. We welcome you. We welcome you to apply for jobs. Again, as I said earlier, 98% of all employees here in Ferndale are Anglo. Now let's bring some of the people in on board. I think it would be fair. It would be fair to say that we want to be able to be very transparent and build our city more because look how it is in the world right now. Look what's going on. Let's make an impact. And so I plead with you that you be engaged, share this video, share it with your friends, share it with people in Eastern Washington and other states, because we are going to do this kind of works here in Ferndale, Washington. And I'd like to thank you for your time. And of course, our store, Colima Design, is right in the middle of Ferndale. If you have any questions, you can come by and talk to me, or I can make an arrangement to talk to Susan Duncan, or even Yuri, who's also involved, and of course our mayor. We could have a meeting to better the system that we have right now. We here in Ferndale are not reaching enough of the minority groups which we would like to bring on board. I'd like to thank you, and you have a wonderful day.